Hello, my dear ladies and gentlemen. Here at this point of time, I'm gonna talk about some useful phrases which can be used by you for estimation or guessing purpose. The first one is, if I had to take a guess. This is the phrase which you can use for guessing something. Example, if I had to take a guess, the new secretary is 21 to 25-year old. If I had to take a guess, I think the concert will be cancelled. Another phrase which can be used for the purpose of estimation is, it's difficult to say, but. Example, it's difficult to say, but I think the economy will improve next year. Another example, it's difficult to say, but I think the Chelsea will win the league next year. Another phrase which can be used for the purpose of showing estimation is, off the top of my head. Off the top of my head is a phrase which can be used to show our estimation. Example, off the top of my head, I'm going to guess Belgrade is the capital of Serbia. Another example, off the top of my head, I would say that the company employs around 150 employees. You can also show your estimation just by using a phrase called it's about. It's about. Example, it's about 15 km from here. It's about 5 meter long and 3 meter wide. Another phrase can be used for showing our estimation, that is, there is a good chance. There is a good chance is a phrase which can be used to show our estimation. Example, there is a good chance the plane will be delayed because of technical problem.